Video 284. All right, let's press 6. How about 7? All right, here's where we are. L key. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, we're going to work on this. Let's go. We're rewriting the previous shader in an optimized form. In the shader macros, we have added network bit order to actual bit order things. So bit 0 maps to 31, bit 1 to 30, etc., etc., etc. Then we have this black color, letterbox black, for when we are in the black section. And then for this purple region, we have the purple. In the inlined macro functions, we have taken a lot of code salvaged from the previous shader and put them into macros. So here is the uint frag chord. Here is the local percent chord on either the on-screen viewport or the off-screen viewport, and supporting macros that are going to be used to calculate that. Then down here, we have the calculation of our discrete point within the renderable space. So discrete unit global x, discrete unit global y. These are all calculations we've done before. We're just codifying them into reusable macros. For discarding regions of the screen, because we're outside of the renderable letterbox, right? So if we were in the black area, we're out of bounds, this black area here. And so OOB for the left, right, top, bottom. Here's the calculation. Okay, so we're going to use these macros all in shader source 7, which is our rewrite. Here's all of our conceptual include files. We've added commentaries in the bottom of the file to describe what they're used for. Here is the input-output texture chord, technical det. Here is our output frag color. Inside of main, we have a bit flag for 32 booleans, and the only boolean we have right now is the letterbox discard boolean. Here is the discrete global unit coordinate, and then right here we have a scope, because the only thing we want to escape from here is that discrete global coordinate, and also the bit flag that we want to set if we're out of bounds. And right here, the final frag color is either going to be that black or purple. That is all we did, and here's what we did, right? So we're out of time. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You can get the source code here, email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.